Today I'm going to show you how to fix a common error I ran into while trying to install Python packages on my new Raspberry Pi 4. If you're getting the message this environment is externally managed, don't worry, I've got you covered. First, let us install pip. So, the problem started when I tried installing setuptools directly using pip. Instead of working, I got this error. Basically, Raspberry Pi OS now manages Python packages differently. To install anything outside of the default packages, you need to use a virtual environment. The first step is to make sure we have the full version of Python and the virtual environment module installed. Just run this command. This makes sure you have everything needed for creating virtual environments. Next, let's create our own environment where we can install packages safely without affecting the system. This creates a folder called myenv in your home directory. Now, to start using it, activate the environment. Notice how your terminal changes to show myenv at the beginning. That means everything you install now will go inside this environment, not the system Python. If you don't want to type that every time, you can make it auto-activate whenever you open a new terminal. Add this line at the very bottom. Press Ctrl S to save and Ctrl X to exit. From now on, your Raspberry Pi will start inside the virtual environment automatically. If you ever want to exit the environment, just type Deactivate. That brings you back to the normal system Python. We can finally install packages like setuptools. With virtual environments, you'll have more control, and you won't break your system Python by mistake. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any other Raspberry Pi issues you'd like me to cover. Thanks for watching.